think Ian, the owner, is stuck on the sim inside that Vulcan. Anyway, we have here his 330 E46, basically same as M5 restorations car that we drove recently, with also Pilot Sport 5s. And here I have the model list, so you can read all about it. My singing is very, very bad. Jimmy complimented the car. Interesting. Good comparison to M5 restorations. Yeah, that's how you get me to drive your car. Just send me a DM, and the car needs to be, of course, good for the track. So no stock, non-performance cars, and sometimes please no stock brakes, because as you could have seen, even performance cars with stock brakes sometimes are not a good idea. Anyway, I guess let me go inside and find them and leave the camera and then go do a lap. Yeah. Ooh, Porsche brakes. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
But no, thank you for doing this. I figured you might be interested in things given Jimmy's driven this car.
I'm just interested in general, like budget modified cars. It's always fantastic.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't call it budget, but like, you know, it's relatable, achievable.
Yes.
You know,
it's an every man's car that could be built on a reasonable budget.
Exactly.
You're probably going to like the other car that I'm going to put together.
Okay.
Opel Manta.
Oh, really nice.
82 Opel Manta.
Nice.
Slightly more power than your average stock one. It was an 1800. It is going to be an 1800, but I do have. You're in third, I think.
Do I?
I think. Yeah, I think you're in third. That's why the clock wasn't.
No.
No, maybe not. So yeah.
No, it would have stalled probably in third. But
It would have done. Yeah, actually think about it.
yeah.
But the motor, I've got a 5.3 LS to go into it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow.
That was a chance find, and it's going to be built for a tribute to a friend of mine who passed away 2 years ago.
What's the red line?
She will rev to 7.
Nice.
Fully balanced, but she probably rolled dog like 6.5.
There,
And she sings.
very safe.
Jesus Christ. How's the balance?
Good. Good to feel it out when it's a bit warm, but so far so good.
Because I've never found the real potential in this car, and you guys do know this truck better than I do.
Something with the armrest, because it's holding me up with shifts.
I'm holding it back.
Thank you.
I'm going to keep my elbow there pinned, so I know it doesn't the same as me as well. I think you met the guy who built the engine as well. LS1 powered E36 Touring, guy named Sam Carpenter.
Yeah.
He built this engine.
Nice. Very good. What can I do?
How's it compared to Sven's?
Much more singing. Suspension's a bit softer. Brakes are not as spicy. Because he has Spec SL 29, so that's far superior than the DS2500.
Yeah.
But the brake pedal feels good. Really do not like it. Oh no!
Give it a bit of a rest.
Yeah.
And she does pop on the overrun a little bit. Oh, right. Yeah, that's what Jimmy said. It was a bit softer and it's a bit more compliant, but
Yeah.
it's a Rogue. It's still my daily driver every day.
In that case, it's perfect. For a daily, it's perfect. It's indeed so. Come on, guys, you're allowed to overtake a safety car.
Oh well.
Learn the rules. There is an arrow for a reason. stuff.
The very nicely driven as well.
Really, really nice. I mean, it's always good when I drive a car and after every corner I'm like, you know, I could have been a lot faster through there. Like it's, but it's the first lap, you know, and
yeah.
so like it's good. Like the only thing I would change for track, if you wanted to track it more, a stiffer suspension, so it has a bit less.
So maybe go up to the club sports.
Yeah, it's still okay. I wasn't complaining. It still had a lot of good feedback, good control, but stiffer would help significantly better, especially since you have the bucket seats, and a bit grippier brakes for the initial bike. I mean the pads.
So let's step up to the DS23. 3000.
I would go for RSL 29s, like Paggets. They're like Charoudin is running on his was it E36 M3 brakes, I think, yeah, and it's it's really good. Like the stopping power on his is better, but he has significantly smaller calipers.
Gotcha.
So you would benefit from better stopping power, but most importantly also better heat management. So it's that would be just like my next thing, because I'm not a big fan of the DS2500s, but they worked okay here. But everything was really nice, like really, and optionally if you want to do more, you could then of course go for grippier tires. But even now it's good. You have a good compromise. You can drive it also nice in the wet. And most importantly, it's a daily. So
it's my daily run around.
Yeah, so I liked it. Like for a daily, it's fantastic. Combination of daily track car, it could be. It's probably one of the best cars you can have, because you have space, you have emotion, you have trackability. It's affordable to run. It's not that heavy unless you're having full back trunk with all stuff.
No, it's got, all I've got is the spare tire in the back and whatnot. It's just the usual stuff, usual tuck you got on the back.
Yeah.
Nice, thank you very much.